Hey guys, welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. How are you? Hope you're doing well. I'm doing pretty good. I've been to, can you guess? Target. Oh yeah, I haven't been there in a long time. So I've been to Target, and the first deal that I did was this Lysol deal. These were $1.99, and when you buy one, the next one you get 10% off. So $1.99, $1.89, $1.99, $1.89, and then I had a $3 and I think it was 50-cent off of 4. So you bought 4 and you got $3.50 off. So I think that was a pretty good deal. I had gotten that coupon some time ago. I think I had gotten it from Target. Yeah, so that was a great deal for that. That was pretty good. Then the next thing that I bought in that particular transaction was the Tide. Each one was $11.99. And it said when you buy 3, you get $10 and gift card. I had $2 off coupons for each one. $2, $2. And they took the third one, $2. So I got $6 off. And this particular transaction came up to $34.53 for these. I had a $5 gift card. They took off $5. I received back a $10 gift card, so I ended up paying $24.53 for these, which is well worth it because if you just think about each one of these is $11.99.
Yeah.
And then this. So that was a pretty good transaction, okay? Then transaction number 2 was these sodas. They were 4 for $10, which was a good price. However, guys, I ended up buying a Coca-Cola, which I'm going to take back to the store because you know how research has it that these Coca-Colas can tear your stomach up.
Eat battery acid.
Exactly. So they are so strong. I don't want to leave this here. I don't want to leave this soda here for my daughter-in-law and son and grandkids to try to deal with this. So I'm going to be taking that one back to the store, probably buy another Sprite. This one down here is a Dr. Pepper. Anyway, they were $2.50 for each one. And I also bought, with this transaction, a $25 Xbox gift card for my grandson. He got me at the last minute. He said, "Grandma, can you buy this for me? Didn't you get me one before?" I said, "Yeah, I did, but I couponed it."
Great.
And I got it almost free. I think I got it for like $10 or $15. But anyway, I bought it for him. He was in a talent show yesterday. He did really good.
That's true.
Anyway, guys, so I bought those two things together, and it came up to $41.60. But I used a $10 gift card, and it came up to $32.56. So that was the last thing that I bought. All right, so if you want sodas, or you want detergent, or these cleaners, these Lysol cleaners, you can get them. There's a good deal on these. And this is not a bad deal neither. All right, on the
Tide Pods.
Tide Pods. All right, so guys, thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up the video. Push that notification button so you'll be notified whenever I put up a video. And I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget, I love you much. Okay, bye-bye, guys.